How to increase space between FAQs in Horizon theme. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to do that step by step. It is actually going to be very simple to do, so let's just go in and get started. First, you will need to just go to your online store, themes, and click on edit theme. Next up, go ahead and find out where you actually want to add the FAQ. So let's just say we want to add it over here. I'm just going to click on add section. Go ahead and scroll down until you find the FAQ. And once we actually add it, we can click on it and we should be able to find a bunch of settings here. Now you can play around with it and, test things out, but none of these settings are actually going to make more space between the accordions here. So the first question from the second question and so on. So in order to increase space between these two and the rest of them, you simply just want to click on custom CSS at the bottom left. Just make sure that the FAQ is the one selected. From here, you simply just want to go down to the description. You should be able to find the code and just go in and paste that in here, like so. And now you can actually see that the space between them has increased by 20 pixels. If you want it to be more, just simply go ahead and adjust this number to your liking. So, 30 is going to be more. If we just do 300, you can actually see how ridiculous that is going to look like. So it's completely up to you how much you want to increase this space here. So once you're happy with it, just simply click on save and we're good to go. You can actually see the answers as well if you click on them. Sorry about that. There you go. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.